Imagine this, you've just stumbled upon a hidden treasure chest filled with gold coins. It's shiny, it's valuable, and it's yours. But without a secure place to store it, that treasure is as good as gone. In the world of crypto, your beam is that gold. And just like the real world, you need a strong, reliable vault, a wallet. But which one? Let's dive in. Now, you might be thinking, why Beam? Isn't Bitcoin the king of crypto? Well, while Bitcoin is undoubtedly a titan, Beam is a different beast entirely. It's built on a concept called Mimblewimble, a fancy tech term for super private transactions. Think of it as a cloak of invisibility for your money moves. So, if privacy is your game, Beam might be your new favorite coin. But, again, where do you put it? The crypto wallet market is a jungle. There are hotshots promising the moon, and then there are the ones that just want to keep your coin safe. So, how do you sort the wheat from the chaff? First off, let's talk about the basics. A crypto wallet isn't an actual wallet like the one in your pocket. It's essentially a software program that stores your private keys. These keys are like passwords, but way more important. They give you control over your coins. Lose them, and you lose your beam. So, safety is paramount. There are two main types of wallets, hot and cold. Hot wallets are online, accessible from your computer or smartphone. They're convenient but less secure. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline devices. They're like a physical vault for your crypto, offering maximum security but less accessibility. So, which type is best for Beam? Well, that depends on how you plan to use it. If you're a frequent trader, a hot wallet might be tempting for quick access. But if you're looking to hodl, that's crypto speak for holding onto your coins for the long term, a cold wallet is probably the way to go. Now, let's talk about specific wallets that support Beam. Trust Wallet, this is a popular choice for beginners. It's a mobile app that supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Beam. It's user-friendly and offers a decent level of security. MetaMask, if you're already in the DeFi world, chances are you've heard of MetaMask. Primarily an Ethereum wallet, it also supports Beam and other tokens. It's a browser extension, making it convenient for web-based interactions. Beam Wallet, this is the official wallet for Beam. It's designed specifically for the Beam network and offers advanced features like staking. If you're a serious Beam user, this might be your go-to. Ledger Nano S/X, these are hardware wallets, offering top-notch security. They're a bit pricier but worth it if you're holding a significant amount of Beam. Remember, this is just a starting point. The crypto world is constantly evolving, and new wallets emerge all the time. It's essential to do your own research and choose a wallet that aligns with your specific needs and risk tolerance. Security is always a top priority. Never share your private keys with anyone, and be wary of phishing scams. And remember, not all wallets are created equal. Some offer additional features like staking or swapping, while others focus solely on storage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.